What is the capital of drum roll please, St. Mary?
Portland.
No, God!
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right, yes, sir.
You done see this, you done see say, and the king, dog.
Guys, him can't talk,
Yes,
him
right
nervous,
now.
I'm nervous. Yeah,
I'm nervous! I'm nervous!
I'm nervous. Yeah, guys.
Yo,
From
guys.
you see by the title, you don't know what go on. School challenge quiz.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Alright.
horses and jackhorses, roaches and cockroaches, I come beyond this table to kill Alia today in this challenge. Watch what go on.
All of my team Ali, just give me some and give me some champs in the comment section.
Ali buzzer section. Just there.
Tear up a boy. So ready, rock, paper, scissors for see who will go first. Cause I don't know say I did need this. Ready? Come now.
And seeing your milk, you better
Come.
know that.
Ready?
You bite.
Shoot, ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah.
That's the first, that's the beginning. That's just the beginning.
That's soft. Come on. Tell me how you liking our looks, you know? Serving looks, right?
Guys, when you saw me come out look like a, alright, a UE student, doctorate.
Miss Alexander
Right now this
Reid.
is UE, University of the West Indies versus UTech.
No, come, ask the first question. Who you want to go first?
Yo, my girl, man, my buzzer, careful.
Guys, we prepare for this.
Yeah, what? Me matter of fact, I give her the chance to go first.
I know him want to know.
I give her the chance
guys,
to go
you
first.
see when your competition, so them want you go first. I know them want to know what up your sleeve.
I eat at this
so me
one.
I go start
Guys,
with him.
you just
Ready now, ready. Shuna,
One.
ready. What is the parry? What? Alright, hold on.
See that?
Do your own
She
excited
nervous.
but no. What is the capital of drum roll please, St. Mary?
Portland.
No, God!
Portland. Hold on. St. Mary?
Yeah.
St. Mary.
Yeah.
St. Mary?
Yeah.
Capital?
Yeah. No! God, no! Yeah, you get it wrong, you know. So me don't get it.
No, easy. But Portland, you have Port Antonio, Port Maria, St. Mary, Mapen for Clarendon.
Come on, you waste the people in time.
Well, I'm going to keep my maths it out, little. Mapen for Clarendon, St. James, Mobile. Alright.
Man, gone back to high school. No, you don't give your answer already and it wrong.
No,
so
I take time maths it out.
No, you give the answer and it's wrong. You think on school challenge quiz, them I say maths out, nothing. Once you're wrong, you're wrong.
Alright, go on.
The answer is Port Maria.
So I'm going to say Port Maria?
You say Port Maria after you say Portland.
No, I say
You
Portland.
said no.
I say
You said
Portland.
Portland.
I say
No.
Portland is Port
No.
Antonio. So
No.
it must be Port Maria.
First
and
you
then
say-
we start maths up everybody
no,
else.
I say guys
Everything
in
good.
team.
Alia.
You see the team
Alia.
them in the
Alia.
comment section.
Alia.
Want
Everything
all of the
good.
team, all of them go
Everything good. Me not even
You say
argue with
yes,
you.
guys.
Yo, you win.
Play about the clip.
You win.
Play about the clip.
You win. My turn.
I always win.
My turn.
Team.
My turn.
Come.
You win.
Come.
You win.
Come, man.
In what year?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I history that?
Come, no, man.
Because I history first is the first
Come,
question. It's the first topic, you know.
come.
Oh, yeah, that kind of history. You know what year was Never House built?
Guys, how me I gonna know that? And
I
if
mean,
you know
how
it,
you gonna know
shut
that?
shut up. If you know in the
Don't
comment
chat to you.
section, you comment it down below and I'm gonna give a pass because you can do that in a school challenge quiz. My pass.
Pass
Yeah.
1881.
1881.
I can't
alright
remember,
then.
but I know say 1881.
So how you not remember you give me
Guys, 1881. 1881.
What, you see thief
You have your
list?
phone right now? I'm going
No, me
to
not have, no.
1881.
Me I'll get the next question because you're not going good. You're not going good.
1881. Come.
Ready now. Me I give one off of my paper.
Thief.
Busted, you know. Ready.
Hey,
Ready. Define the term family.
family?
Yeah.
Which family? Nuclear
No,
family?
no.
Extended
Broad,
family?
broad. Define the term family.
Alright. Family is basically
Accuracy more. Your accuracy. You notice them I said define. Me never say in your own words. Or
family
Jamaica.
is everybody we living in your household we come from the same mother and father like a nuclear family.
Stop it. Get some help.
Family is everybody we living in your household we come from the same mother and father like a nuclear family.
No,
You have
no,
the
no,
mother,
no.
the father. You have the mother, the father,
You're wrong.
and
You're
the daughter
wrong.
or the
No,
son. That's a
no,
nuclear
no.
family.
Me never ask
Extended
you what.
family now.
Me, yeah,
That's
yeah,
another
give me
extended
time.
family.
Guys,
Your,
what? Wait, no, stop.
the family them like your
Stop.
auntie, your uncle, your cousin, them they are extended
Stop,
family.
stop.
You understand what I try to
Stop.
show you? So when we talk about family, you have to be careful because there's so much meaning to family. Don't ramp with me, Alia. Don't ramp with me about school challenge because I come ask me about meaning to family. Anyway, still, I love how you play it unfair. I'm not going to cuss.
That's not unfair, guys.
What the meaning for family? Because basically you tell me something wrong. So what's the meaning for family?
Guys, you notice me say define family. I never ask for the types of family, you know. I never say list the types of family. I ask define family. Come, may I give you a chance again for define family because you misinterpret the question. Define
Family are blood related siblings.
No, not siblings.
That's a bit short and concise.
No, that's wrong.
That's blood related and share a bond with either the same mother and father.
No, me I get that wrong. You're not structure your thing right. And listen,
Leave me
people,
alone.
and
Love
Google this, cause guess what? When me did I go done on Mr. Matty, did I teach me good
internet. Yo, guys, I also get everything off of the internet.
You hear what I say?
When me a teacher, when me a
Mr.
learn.
Matty. You hear what I say?
Everything good,
Mr.
everything
Matty.
good. So you
Did
try
I teach
style
me good?
You try style me on camera.
And Miss Williams, no such name, did I teach me good? I look a short teacher there. So here what? Family is a group of persons living together related by blood, adoption, or marriage that share common goals and chores.
Someone tell us the blood related.
You say blood related by mother. No.
Blood related siblings, I understand.
Blood related siblings. So hold on. So if a man and a woman married and fear pitney them, him related to fear pitney them because you hear the definition related by blood, adoption, or marriage.
Alright, yo, let's not go into it.
Guys,
it's right now for that.
With them, I say. With them.
My girl, but
with
you
them.
get my answer
With
wrong.
them.
You get my answer
With-
wrong.
with-
You get my
with
question,
them.
you got the answer for my question wrong. So
I never answer, I say pass.
You still get the answer wrong.
With them, I
You
say
still
them
not
one
get
with
no
them.
mark.
Lash him.
You still not get
Lash
no
him.
mark for it whether you pass
But
or
you
not.
not get no marks.
Alright, don't chat to
Two
you. Anyway.
question we got. This time second question for ask me. And the two are with the pan zero. We tie.
Alright, question. Who was the first black millionaire in Jamaica? First black millionaire.
That man the name again?
I don't want to hear, you can't say well, I'm banning them again for school challenge quiz.
Me I think.
Yeah, foolishness today about whether man
Well, me don't know. George something another well.
It's either you come up with the answer, because George Well, there's no such, I don't know no George Well, come with the answer.
Me no know.
That if you say, where you do you pass?
Philip Palwell.
Philip, right?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Philip Palwell.
Philip, right, she got in a PNP party. Hear me I say, guys.
Tell me my name.
George Stibble is the first black
So me tell him I
millionaire.
know some George, you know, I know
You
some
know some
George.
George, not the man.
He said
No
George.
from you say, you're a thief.
George Stibble.
Come on, talk, your time.
Me a whip him, me a whip him. But
You're
guess what?
a- Ali, you're
Team
a child.
Ali in the comment section, come out strong. Don't rush me because y'all lose. Him can't take lose in a sense.
Come, Bridget,
Y'all
come.
lose
Come, no,
miserably.
Bridget, come, no, come,
When
no.
did Jamaica gain independence? 1 year.
1962, idiot.
Ding, 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 ding. Correct. That. 1 year.
1962, idiot.
Ding, 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 ding. Correct. That I first one him get right. Come.
And you're not getting
Come,
none right
come,
over here, so
come,
that's the
make us
sad
see, make us
part.
see now, make us see
You
now.
know why it's sad, because you're not getting none right.
Make us see, the
Oh,
one
well,
him
I'm
get
good
right,
now.
the one him get right, him a hype up himself. But other question to the guys. Other question, Dede. So all of my team Ali, just bomb up the comment section with be a medal, because you know so we are winners. And comment down below what you think the winner should get. We are with
2
them.
attractions in Jamaica.
2 attractions.
Yeah.
2 attractions in Jamaica. Places, right?
Just listen, man. Don't ask me if a place or thing or
alright,
whatever.
alright. Let me get
Say 2 attractions in Jamaica.
Can I get clarification, please? Me not understand more on clarification when you have the spelling bee.
When you have a school and the update and development. 2 attractions in Jamaica.
2 attractions in Jamaica. Them did structure the question right. You not structure it right. 2 attractions in Jamaica. You have Dolphin Cove and you have Sharky food place. That food place there where them cook and gear. There is so.
My girl, you talk about some attractions that the people them don't even
know. The people them know Sharky down at Mochi. And them know Dolphin.
When I tell people what attractions, you have to
ask you for explain. You see, guys,
you have to give them example like Devon House.
You don't have to tell me when you
give them example like Dolphin Cove not so bad.
Guys,
give them example like
Sharky,
Great
Sharky, that is an attraction because all of the tourists them are go down there now. You see guys, you see, it's very thief. You see everybody on the pan Team King, who needs some set of dumbbell and some set of thief.
People them not like you for call with dumbbell because you're the only dumbbell when you see. Yo, my girl, don't
I said still him a lose, you know. He want to pull up my ear, guys. If done it tell me before, say if I win him, he want to pull up my ear.
Yo, your
time,
your time, you look a clown.
Alright, sports. In what year did Usain Bolt won his first gold medal? Listen, sports. In what year did Usain Bolt won his first gold medal?
About 2014.
Hold on, no.
Hold on there. When I said first gold medal, I thought about high school days.
The man first gold medal in a track and field. I couldn't high school days.
The man first gold medal in a track and field in a high school days. You fool like duck, so.
Dumbbell, me I talk about Olympics.
Yes, good bell.
Answer, you done say 2014 and that wrong. You give the answer before. You give
a fool like that, you
give the answer, so I'm going to say pass. You give the answer already. 2014 and that wrong. 2002. Yo, I be a team. Come give me your question. You see when we are with them.
Who's the fastest woman alive?
Shelly and Fraser Price.
Hey, that's a fool. A Veronica Campbell.
Shelly and Fraser Price.
Alright, yes.
I'm the 2 and him the 1.
Ready? If the 2 I'm the 1 a fool and the first question that I ask you get right. You know the sense.
The 2 and you the 1, the tourist attraction somewhere just ask me and this now. Keep a score in the comment section, guys. You see what me I talk about? In just the 1 in and 2
Ali, go and ask a question now, Ali, and stop the foolishness about
me and the
ask a question now. Done you like a gun. Thief.
Alright. Listen this now. Name the 3 counties of Jamaica.
Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. You idiot. Fool like duck. Big papi show. Don't lean up off of me. Lean up off of me because there is no friend. There is no friend.
I'm a lose. 2-2 with time.
A thief. Stop one like me and your friend.
Come now.
Stop one like me and your friend. There is no friend.
Come. Ask.
Alright.
Make sure now keep a score.
Give the first name of a Powell in track and field.
Asafa Powell.
That is not a question.
Yes, I give the first name of 3 me there. But not even all of the argument 3. Next question. Alright. Who was Jamaica's first Prime Minister? I want him full name. I don't want nothing cut off. The whole I'm 4 name them I want. The first Prime Minister of Jamaica.
No man, Alia.
What?
No man.
No, you're wrong, my love.
Michael Manley.
You're wrong.
Michael Manley.
You serious?
No man.
No, you're wrong, my love.
Michael Manley.
You're wrong.
Michael Manley.
You're wrong.
Up to the
That is wrong. Buster oh my God, guys, all in
Yo, my
neighbor.
girl.
I tell King, you see?
Yo.
You're wrong,
hear me
you're
say now?
wrong, you're wrong.
Yo,
Him full name is...
Michael Alexander Bustamante.
No, Michael, not the pan the
Yeah,
man
you're
name.
deaf, you fool like duck. You don't understand?
The man name, listen.
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
Listen.
Sir Alexander
Me say him full
Bustamante.
name, me say him full name. Him
Yo,
full-
hear me say now?
No. The man full name is Sir William Alexander
Sana.
Clark
Me not in the
Bustamante.
internet quiz that's all.
No,
You're a thief.
He might
Smoke
lose
up on the internet around
miserably.
you. You're a thief.
He might lose, that's
Let me
why.
ask
He
you
might
my
lose,
question.
that's
Let me
why.
ask you.
Ask.
Alia.
Team Ali in the
Hold on
comment
there.
section.
First
down
of all,
below.
guys. First of all, we're going to sports. I just come back at history.
So we not
No.
Yeah,
That,
team.
no, that's
Stop,
a, no.
team,
Forget, that can't work. Come on, sports today. That not get.
Stop, team.
Alia, hear me say,
Stop,
Alia,
team.
but tell us the three things in sports is history, sports, and general
Yeah,
knowledge.
thief. That can come under general knowledge just the
Oh,
same.
I want
Guys,
to
you
the
see
crown,
when
man.
you see when
Oh, you reach a sports, my girl. With your sports, you're gonna general knowledge.
You can't tell me which order it for coming up. Then you never should have stayed out the rule them in at the beginning. You lose. Guys, we could just cut the
my
crap
God.
and cut the chairs and bring this down to the buzzer section because we don't know say Team Ali all day
Yeah,
every
idiot.
day.
Which
brains.
parish grow the biggest watermelon?
Comment that down below. Which parish is the fruit basket parish? St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, idiot. You're a fool like Dr. St. Thomas, a fool. I mean, tell us St. Elizabeth before come on camera. That's why you come to St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth is the
More
fruit
from
basket
More from
parish.
us. Yeah, team, we should tell you the answer there.
We get it right, guys.
Alright.
St. Elizabeth is the fruit basket
guys, I
parish.
mean, tell her St. Elizabeth. And
Oh,
she
you
come on the
tell
camera
me.
now and I go on like say because
Guys.
you know, yo, it burn
Listen to me,
yo,
listen
hear
to me.
say, Ali. We could just go down to the ding dong buzzer section.
Me go
There ain't no
school,
more argument
go-
with you.
Show,
Now we go to the ding dong
Show
buzzer
when we
section.
talk to the Team Ali
Yo,
fans.
make we go to ding dong buzzer section.
Team Ali fans in the comment section
Yo,
down below.
Alia,
Go school, go eat lunch money and pull up your brain. Understand?
Come, Kaya.
Ready?
I'm not gonna argue.
Buzzer
argue with
challenge.
them. I'm not gonna argue with them.
And we are going to ask 2 questions and them
Which
2.
2 questions? 5 questions. And you
Make
lose
sure
4
you can
questions.
manage.
You lose 4 questions.
No.
Alright, come.
He might try and make up him points for win.
Come.
And you're a thief.
Come.
I tell you now.
Alright, the 2 questions each and 5 marks if you get the question correct.
Alright.
Come.
Ready? You just ask me.
You start, you go
So
first.
me to go first. Alright. Question and it no matter the category. Matter the category?
Yo, just ask a question.
Alright then,
We don't know your thief.
The Lord
All
is
of
my
you two know your
shepherd,
thief.
I shall not want. Give the Psalms.
Psalms 23, Virgin.
Alright.
Thief.
Alright.
5 mark that, you know.
Yeah, and you did the 1 so 6 you there now. And me the 5, so if me get that one right at 10 me there.
Yeah, I like what you say. If you get that one there right.
So now if me get it right,
Oh, okay.
cheese.
Okay. Give me the ending. I'm not off. That's for the ending.
Hear the thiefness I come down and
Not
hear the
even-
thiefness. Hear the thiefness. Me say guys, me whip up him in the comment. Me whip
Yo.
up him, you know. Me eat him up, you know. Like how
Finish.
that tear up people.
Finish the pledge. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my
Heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body.
Alright. Come,
That's
come,
soft, brother.
Come, idiot, come.
That's
Come.
soft.
Come no, your time.
10
Go
minutes.
on. Go on.
10.
Alright, go on.
10.
Ask your question.
Come now, come here, eat you up. Wicked too.
Ask your question and stop it.
Alright. Guys, meds.
No, ask tell the guys them for meds.
Yeah, you me ask.
You think a medication this?
Meds. Go school, eat lunch money and pull up your brain. In what month did Jamaica had its first case of COVID-19? Ding.
March was the first month. March. In a March. Double up my score.
And guess what? Me did the 10 little while, you know. And you did the 1. So when you get the 1 there, you get 6. So now you get 5 more panda 6
Yes, sir.
there. So you're there. What you there?
No, must 11.
Alright.
I know, say you lose. Would have you lose.
Oh, but for lose. I have to still
Because
ask me one more question.
That's why you're going to lose now. Because you're not get that.
Watch your teeth, please, guys. Watch your teeth. Remember, somebody did 5, you know.
Guys.
Hold on.
Watch how the
Remember,
badness come down
hold on,
now.
no. Remember, somebody did.
Watch how the badness come
Wait,
down
let me
now.
tally up the score them. So him, the pan 11 right now. And me, the first before reaching another section here, me did have 5. I'm just answer the question and get it right. So I have 10. I only need 2 to beat him. Ready?
Watch how the badness come down now,
Ready,
guys.
ready, cause he my teeth.
Watch how the badness come
Ready,
down. As
ready,
you see all them attack to the wall.
ready, ready, ready. Ready now? I'm ready, you know.
Which river?
I'm ready. Come. I'm not back down. I'm not fear from nothing.
Is
Yeah.
the
Mm-hmm.
longest river
Mm-hmm.
in Jamaica?
Now Jamaica,
Yeah.
Rio Cobra.
Longest river
Mm-hmm.
in Jamaica?
Now Jamaica,
Yeah.
Rio Cobra. Champs.
Which river?
Rio Cobra. We are champs over here, so guys.
The
You hear me say?
longest river in Jamaica.
Research it now. Research it now. Research it now. Research it. Champs over here, so. We over here are champs. Can you ask me a question we not even know the answer for? Of course, you ever see nothing go so? What the answer? What the answer? What the answer?
Guys,
Me get it right.
guys, you see next time, I'm not play the game here with Ali again. I make sure say we have an instructor. I ask all questions because she a thief. But know the answer them because she a thief. Never, yo my girl, you laugh like a joke thing with the funny day.
Oh, we know the answer them, but you are ask them.
I don't sleep with a bang. Here come.
No, no.
My girl, don't touch me, Richard. Don't touch me.
Him can't take,
No,
guys.
no man, I just leave it.
Him can't take losing. That is it. Him can't take losing. Why
Yo,
you not be
you
a
draw out,
why you not be
you draw
why
out.
why
I
you have
know
to be
you
a
draw
why
out.
you have to be a sole loser?
I know you're drawing.
We are winners over here, Team Ali. I done telling you from the beginning. So I'm wanting you to do spam up the comment section with Team Ali. Give me some prizes down in that comment section down below, cause bad mind active over there. So I'm going to give you guys the thought for today, and you don't know how that go. So the thought for today is, remember guys, in everything you do, put God first and stay in. Don't be a fool. Stay in school, eat lunch money, and keep it cool. Why your thought? Loser.
Big up on yourself.
That is not the outro. Do the summer properly and
My
stop
girl,
one
no
stuff.
information, man.
Guys, him can't take losing enough, but him well want.
Guys, as me I say, we link up in our next video, you see me? But now worry yourself, me I come back epic. You hear that? Big up on yourself.
Give the outro.
What someone where you par with
Give
some
it better
girl
than
where
that.
What someone where you par with some girl where your wife up my friend give me a knife cut. Bang, bang, boom.
Drop some losers in the comment section for Team King, and we're up.